Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to download Slideshare PPT using your mobile device. So for example, I have here my Slideshare PPT that I want to download. So now in order to download that, kindly go to Google.com and then kindly search Slideshare Downloader and then click the first one with the Slideshare Downloader with green icon. Click that. And then after that, kindly go back to the PPT that you want to download here. Now, kindly copy the URL of that PPT. Once done copying, go back to the SlideShare downloader and then kindly paste it. Okay. And then we have the option to select the quality. It's either SD or HD. For me, it's okay if I have SD. And then wait for it to be fully loaded. Now you have the options here. It's either if you want to download all the slides, you have the options here on the left side, 14 out of 14, or you can select any slides. But for me, I want to download all. Now you also have the option whether you want to download PPT or PDF. Now let's say I want to download PDF file. So I click PDF file. But if you want to download the PPT file, then click PPT file. But for me, it's okay if I have PDF. And then click download. And then once you click that, it will automatically be downloaded. And then let me check. Okay, here we have it.